Let's also talk about the other metro, which is Bengaluru at this point. Remember, with the surge in the number of cases in Bengaluru over the past few days, the Karnataka government now has decided to seal down several of the areas in the city. Now, the key areas are being sealed are the big market areas and their surroundings as well. And this is being done to further curb the spread of coronavirus in the city. The steady rise in the cases have turned the west and the south zone into Bengaluru into clusters. And the overall cases in these areas have risen and the containment zones have also been doubled at this point. Let me bring in my colleague Neha Hebale with further updates on this. Neha, if you can give us an update on ground, the kind of situation, because now we're looking at several of the areas which have been sealed by the Karnataka government to curb the spread. Which are these areas where a lot of the facilities have been sealed, and what is the current situation on ground?
Well, Apurva, similar to Mumbai, even in Bengaluru, some of the containment zones or some of the, the sealed down areas are only on paper. Because right now, where we're standing at is Siddhapura, which is, one of those sealed down areas which has seen a rise in the cases. Slowly, it has transformed into a cluster as well. Because in this area, while on the surface it may seem like, there are not a lot of people or the shops are shut, there are several such shops, that are actually functioning with their shutters pulled down. In fact, just about 2 minutes prior to this, we were here and there were at least 3 shops over here that were open, and they've just now downed their shutters. Of course, while that was one, also right over here, in the middle, in the heart of this containment zone, you also had, a bar and restaurant that was open and that was operational as well. So, while yes, also on the other side, if I can actually show you and slowly ask my video journalist Pradeep to pan, what we're showing you is, of course, these barricades that have been put, again, only for the name's sake. As you can see, people have found a stopgap solution to this. They have, in fact, cut the threads or cut the, wiring that was there here, and they've made space for themselves to move in and out of the containment zone. So now we've stepped out of this containment zone and, just on to, of course, this line of shops, which is also supposed to remain closed over here, but there's no sort of enforcement. You can see how people have gathered around over here to come out and have a cup of tea in the morning. And, ultimately, Apurva, one may question this because remember that it's also the efforts of the people that are required here to contain the spread. It's not just, merely, of course, these authorities that can come and enforce, but people also have to understand. And at the same time, there has to be more strict enforcement from the side of the authorities as well. So it is, pitiable situation over here as well. As we saw that, with the unlock phase 1, there were several places and several, commercial establishments that opened up. But now the authorities fear that, this may be causing Bengaluru and Karnataka to pay a costly price, which is why they are back to clamping down and back to sealing down some areas.
All right. All right, Neha, many thanks for joining us and bringing us all those updates. And with that, it's a wrap on this edition of the news. Updates continue right after this short break.